Hi, my name is Engineer Alan Garofalo. I talk about the database. Definition. A database is an organized collection of data. The data are typically organized to model relevant aspects of reality in a way the super process requiring this information. The term database is correctly applied to the data and their supporting data structures and not to the database managing system DBMS. The database data collection with DBMS is called a database system. We'll know DBS include Fox Pro, AVN, DB2, Linter, Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. And DBMs also need to provide effective routine execution to properly support as many database and users are needed. Advantage: using local rules to express queries, allows you to angle recurse queries, has a traffic negation, ability to learn new information through the already stored in the database by interface, using query optimization algorithms, support audits and complex assemblies. Disadvantage: create effective procedure of deduction to avoid falling to infinite loops. Find criteria decided by the use allow as a rule of inference, erasing the usual convention of the database. Database type. Active database. An active database is a database that includes an event-driven architecture which can respond to conditions both inside and outside the database. Cloud database. A cloud database is a database that relies on cloud technology, but the database and most if DBMs reside remotely in the cloud, while its applications are both developed by the programs and later maintained and utilized by application end users through a web browser and open APIs. Data warehouse. Data warehouse archive data from operational database and often from external sources such as American Receipt Files. Distributed database. The definition of a distributed database is broad and made by utilizing the different meanings. In general, it typically refers to a modular DBMs architecture that allows the instant DBMs instances to cooperate as a single DBMs over process computers and site while managing a single database distributed itself over multiple computers and different sites. Document-oriented database is a computer program designed for storing, retrieving, and managing document-oriented or semi-structured data information. Hypermedia database. The World Wide Web can be thought of as a database, albeit one spread across millions of independent computer systems. Web browsers the data one page at a time, while web crawlers on the other software provide the equivalent of database indexes, the support research, and the other activities. Database language. Define a database. It's a specific data types and relation among them. Manipulate this content. Insert new data occurrence and update or delete existing ones. Query it. Erase information, compute and retrieve any information based on this data. Database security. Access control. Data security. Access control. Database access control deal with controlling who a person or entire computer program is allowed to access what information in the database. Database access control are set by the special authorized by the database owner personnel that use a dedicated protected security DBMs interface. Data security. The definition of data security varies and may overlap with other database security aspects. Broadly, this deals with protecting specific chunks of data, but physical or the interpretation of part of them to meaningful information. Use applied in Ecuador. Most companies in Ecuador have their database that is the most important for its operation of the said information, as is the case of banks, civil registry, companies and the administration, social networks, agency travels, and many more.